Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you use when and while in your writing. This is video number 1. When with simple actions and while with continuous actions. This is for intermediate and certificate 2 English students. Use when for 2 simple actions that happen at the same time. Here we have 6 sentences. In the past simple, look at the verbs: got, was, finished, rang, arrived, started. We're going to make sentence 1 and 2 into one long sentence. We will add when to sentence 1, and then we will put sentence 2 after when. I got home when dinner was ready. So both of these actions happen at the same time. Sentences 3 and 4 will do the same thing. So we're going to add when, and then we will put sentence 4 after when. We finished dinner when my mother rang. Sentences 5 and 6 will do the same thing again. We'll add when, and then we'll put sentence 6 after when. We arrived at the park when it started to rain. These actions all happen at the same time, so we can link these sentences with when. Here we have 2 examples of using when to link 2 actions that happen at the same time. You can see the first one is a past simple, got and was. The second one is present simple, go and go to work. So we can use it with the past simple or the present simple. You can also start your sentences with when. So as you can see, this is the same sentence, but we've started with when. So when I got home, comma, dinner was ready. Another example, when the children go to school, comma, I go to work. So we can also use it to start our sentences, but we must use a comma between the 2 different clauses or 2 sentences. Here's some more examples for you. When I cook dinner, he washes the dishes. When it's hot, we go to the beach. So you can either link in the middle of 2 sentences or start with when. Use while with 2 continuous actions, 2 longer actions that happen at the same time. So you can see we have 4 sentences here. In the past continuous, I was washing, was cooking, was waiting, was talking. So sentence 1 and 2 we're going to link with while, because these things are happening at the same time. So I was washing the dishes while, and then we add the second sentence, he was cooking. 3 and 4, I was waiting for the bus while talking on the phone. You can see here that I haven't added I was talking on the phone. I just went straight to the verb talking, because I was is used at the beginning of the sentence, and also I am talking on the phone. It's the same person, so I can remove this. So here are our sentences with while as a link or connecting between the 2 actions. The same as when, we can also start our sentence with while. You can see while I was washing the dishes, comma, he was cooking. And the second example, while I'm waiting for the bus, I'm surfing the internet. The order of our actions changed in this one, because I am waiting for the bus. This is my main action, my main purpose. And I'm surfing the internet is not so important. So I changed the order here. Here's another example. While he is working, I am looking after the kids. While they are playing, I am studying. So another 2 examples with while at the beginning. If you start with while, it's very important that you use the comma between your 2 sentences. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.